brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and as promised, I'm back with the latest from Bollywood and social media. Hope you guys are staying indoors and are safe. Let's quickly check out what are our celebrities up to, starting with the headlines for the day. सलमान खान ने एक बार फिर रिजेक्ट की ब्रदर सोहेल खान की फिल्म शेर खान की स्क्रिप्ट। लॉकडाउन में सुपरस्टार शाहरुख खान किस तरह रख रहे हैं खुद को बिजी? क्या अपने फैंस को मिस कर रहे हैं मेगा स्टार अमिताभ बच्चन? सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में अनिल कपूर कर रहे हैं अपने अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स की प्रिपरेशंस।
Rui, why are you holding these balloons?
We're back!
Yash, why are you holding the balloons?
We're back!
We are back. Lockdown with the Johars are back. See you soon.
Hashtag Lockdown with the Johars is back with adorable Yash and Ruhi, who are as savage as they can be. They just cannot wrap their heads around Karan's sartorial choices and have labeled his Indian designer wear their grandma's clothing. Take a look.
Excuse me, what is this you're holding?
Mama, I got that.
Whose kurta?
Mama,
This is not Mama's kurta. This is Dada's kurta. Wow, Rui, Yash, we are in Dada's closet. Rui, you like Dada's clothes?
no,
Wow, Yash, you like Dada's shoes?
no. It's so tiny.
It's so shiny. Yash, what do you think? Again? Mama, what do you think of my sartorial choices?
I feel you're wearing too much black, too much bling. Wearing shorts, I think you could reinvent yourself.
More savage than any film critiques and yet undeniably lovable are Karan Johar's twins Yash and Ruhi.
Toodles.
Toodles.
Okay, toodles.
Toodles.
Okay, bye, toodles.
Toodles.
The terrific twosome has been entertaining us with their no-filter comments on Dad Karan's wardrobe choices, movies and even his need to go to the gym.
Wow, we're eating burgers today, Ruhi. Yash, even Dada wants to eat.
No, you're just fat.
I'll become fat if I have a burger. Mama, are you saying the same thing to Mama as well? Mama also... Mama, I think he's telling us not to eat these burgers because he says we'll become fat.
Who'll become fat, Baba?
Dada.
Dada become fat? No, Mama's fat.
After calling out the director for a shiny suit, pink shoes and tie-dye jackets, the latest piece of clothing under fire is what must be a very expensive kurta designed by Manish Malhotra.
Excuse me, what is this you're holding?
Mama, I got that.
Whose kurta?
Mama.
This is not Mama's kurta, this is Dada's kurta. This Dada's friend Manish Malhotra has made for me. You think this is Mama's kurta? No, don't say that to Dada, please. Bye.
Karan shared a video on social media recently where the twins have invaded their father's closet yet again and are carrying a heavily embroidered and embellished kurta around and calling it their grandmother's outfit.
Mama, I got that.
Whose kurta?
Mama.
This is not Mama's kurta, this is Dada's kurta. This is a man's kurta. See, man? Man's kurta, not Mama's kurta. Bye. Bye. Okay, whatever. Such a bye she's given me, like, get out of my face.
After giving Karan a bye that looks more like a talk to the hand gesture, the two continue playing and exit the frame, leaving poor Karan amused and upset in equal measure. Well, they are back for sure, and we can't wait to see what they're up to next.
All right, it's through your ear. Grab it right here. Okay, you got the strings. You got it?
I got it.
Okay, now rip it that way.
Kartik Aaryan and his sister seem to be bonding over social media games during this lockdown period. The actor, who's producing an online series called Koki Puchega to create awareness about the COVID-19 pandemic, posted a hilarious video where he's getting slapped by his sister as a part of the Pull the String challenge that has been trending recently. Trust Kartik Aaryan to bring in the entertainment quotient that we all need to beat the weekday blues, or more like lockdown blues. The star is a big hit with young audiences and is all set to appear in many high-profile projects once the lockdown hopefully ends. Well, he's using social media to create awareness and educate his fans and followers while also mixing it up with some light-hearted content.
विटामिन सी की गोलियां खाती थी, फिर भी कोरोना हो गया। ऐसी किसकी हाय लग गई आपको?
Oh my God, कार्तिक, मुझे exactly पता है कि जिमी को कैसी फीलिंग थी जब बीमारी लग गई कुछ किए बगैर।
So after a thought-provoking monologue and a creative rap song, Karthik has started an online interview series called Koki Puchega, where he is speaking to survivors and those on the front lines of the battle against COVID-19. He has already interviewed a cop, a doctor, and a COVID-19 survivor, asking them doubts and questions people have and taking it upon himself to clear facts from myths.
लॉकडाउन मार्च से शुरू हुआ है, तो आपके हॉस्पिटल के पास दिसंबर के लिए प्लान है?
We have as in दिसंबर के लिए।
दिसंबर में बहुत सारी डिलीवरीज होने वाली है।
काय की?
बच्चों की। बाहर जाओगे तो पिटोगे। Myth or fact?
ये एक्चुअली मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसको लोग फैक्ट माने। अगर ये मिथ भी है तो इसे फैक्ट माने, डर नहीं रहे।
But while this interview series has become popular, Karthik and his sister Kritika decided to play the fake string challenge that has been doing the rounds on social media for a while now. The actor shared a video on social media where he and Kritika play the game and poor Karthik gets mock slapped at the end.
Alright, it's through your ear. Grab it right here. Okay, you got the string? You got it?
I got it.
Okay, now rip it that way.
Karthik hilariously captioned the post. Subah utho, nahao, pito, so jao. #quarantine life. A few days ago, the actor had posted another amusing video with his sister where he lip-synced a few lines from Hrithik's film Koi Mil Gaya.
अरे ये तुमने कैसे बजाई?
ये तो मुझे आती है, माँ ने मुझे सिखाया था। बताओ।
लगता है this brother-sister pair is having a blast together during the lockdown. One thing that SRK has and no one else does is his wit and a tremendous sense of humor. While answering one of his fans recently on a social media platform, he was asked about his quarantine routine and his reply was hilarious. Shah Rukh Khan may have taken a planned break from the big screen, but his fan following remains rock solid, as does his sense of humor. The star, who is recently in lockdown, decided to answer some of his fans' questions on a social media platform and added humorously not to interact for too long, as he had to go and do nothing.
So I appeal again, please do not panic. Please be careful about misinformation and please follow the instructions and guidelines issued by the state government.
Not surprisingly, one of the questions asked to him was what he thought about his new friend, once enemy, Salman Khan's new song Pyar Corona, which went online recently and launched his new channel on a video and music streaming platform. Shah Rukh's response displayed his trademark wit when the netizen asked, Salman Khan just launched his new song, which he has sung about coronavirus and his love for the country. Have you watched it? Shah Rukh replied, "Bhai kamal ka single aur singer hai." Another user asked SRK, decline is inevitable in a life cycle. When or how do you know it's the right time to change careers or call it quits if you are a superstar? On that, Shah Rukh Khan had a savage reply. He said, wouldn't know. Try asking a superstar. I am just a king, unfortunately. While there were many other light-hearted questions, including the color of his toothbrush, one particular response had our immediate attention because it seems to hint that SRK's next project might be with Rajkumar Hirani. When asked, which director would you love to work with, Martin Scorsese or Chris Nolan, SRK said, wow, both are awesome and I have met them, but Raju apna sa lagta hai, nahi? Does that mean we have a confirmation of his next film? Well, we can't wait for the lockdown to end and for a formal announcement from the star who has been away from the big screen since 2018. Salman Khan's collaboration with his brother Sohail Khan has been pushed to 2022 after Salman Khan reportedly rejected the third draft of the script Sher Khan, which is to showcase him in a never-before-seen avatar. Salman has always made it a point to include his brothers and encourage their cinematic ambitions. Whether it was giving Arbaz an opportunity to direct a Dabangg franchise or working with brother Sohail in films like Auzar, Hello Brother, Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya and Jai Ho, which Sohail directed. Sohail and Salman have also been co-stars in films like Tubelight, Veer and Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya. हमने सुना है कि सोहेल पिछले कुछ समय से एक फिल्म के स्क्रिप्ट पर काम कर रहे हैं, titled Sher Khan, which will star Salman. This film is supposed to be a wild Tarzan-inspired jungle adventure जहां सलमान दिखेंगे with lots of animals. लेकिन अब लगता है कि this wild safari will be delayed because भाईजान Salman Khan has rejected yet another draft of the script. And with films like Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai needing completion, it seems that Sher Khan will not be roaring on your screens till 2022 at least. A confidential source discloses, it's really very simple. Bhai is not completely happy with the script. Sohail has gone back to the storyboard at least 3 times. But Bhai is still not satisfied. Salman wants Sher Khan to be a game changer in the action genre. But there are no hard feelings between the brothers. And with a star like Salman ready to appear in his film, Sohail too doesn't mind going an extra mile to make sure the script is perfect. The source close to the project shares, Sohail is okay with reworking the Sher Khan script as many times as required. He too wants Sher Khan to be a landmark in the action genre and in Salman's career. Salman was supposed to start Sher Khan this year, but he has now allotted those dates to his friend Sajid Nadiadwala for Kabhi Eid Kabhi Diwali. Well, don't worry Sohail, आपके भाईजान 2 बार टाइगर बन चुके हैं, शेर भी इवेंचुअली बन ही जाएंगे. The Shehenshah of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan, used to hold a regular Sunday meet and greet with his fans, where he would go on his balcony and wave to them from his house in Jalsa in Juhu. The actor, of course, is missing that interaction now after he called it off amidst the growing worries of COVID-19 pandemic. While that was the right thing to do, Sundays just aren't the same for the megastar. A constant in Mumbai for years now has been Shehenshah Amitabh Bachchan's Ravivar Ka Darbar on Sundays, where thousands of his fans gather outside of his home to catch some glimpse of Big B, and in return, he waves and accepts their love for him. While Big B is at home now, following the rules of the lockdown, but making every effort possible to assist government efforts to fight the pandemic.
मेरा आप सबसे हाथ जोड़कर यही निवेदन है कि कोरोना वायरस को रोकने में आप देश का सहयोग इन 3 कार्यों के द्वारा करें। पहला, अपने शौचालय का नियमित रूप से इस्तेमाल करें और खुले में शौच के लिए बिल्कुल ना जाएं। दूसरा, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग यानी सामाजिक दूरी, समाज से दूरी बनाए रखें और केवल किसी आपातकालीन स्थिति हो या किसी इमरजेंसी हो तभी आप घर से बाहर निकलें या जाएं। तीसरी बात, दिन में अनेक बार अपने हाथों को साबुन से कम 20 सेकंड तक धोएं और अपनी नाक, आंख, मुंह को बिल्कुल न छुएं।
He even coordinated a special video shot by multiple actors from their homes that included big names from across India. Lekin the veteran star is missing his extended family, as he has often called them and wrote a heartwarming note about not being able to follow the ritual in the current environment. Amitabh Bachchan, who blogs every single day, wrote, "The Sunday does not mean the same as before. Waiting for the time to arrive, the security in place, that familiar sound of the stepboard being dragged into position, that familiar scream of the well-wishers at the gate as each domestic entrant enters and leaves premises, of the knowing that he comes." And then it. Adding that he is missing the ecstatic wild faces and mobiles recording the moment, Big B said, "Those smiling hands will eventually find space inside the home. Moments of connect with the familiar and the informed, the ones on the buildings ahead, precariously positioned at vantage points, the cheers and laments, the letters of recommendations, the out of the country guests." हर संडे अमित जी को मिलते थे ढेर सारे तोहफे as tokens of affection from his fans, and these are kept away safely and valued deeply by the actor. As the seriousness of the COVID-19 pandemic became more evident and social distancing became a norm, Amit ji cancelled his Sunday meet ritual, asking fans not to come outside his home jalsa in large numbers. We hope you stay safe too. फिलहाल बिग बी के साथ अभिषेक और श्वेता बच्चन है, but his wife Jaya Bachchan is alone in Delhi because she was unable to come back to Mumbai before lockdown announcement. We hope कि आपको एक दूसरे के दर्शन भी जल्द हो, and we get to see you soon too, like always on a Sunday.
Are you ready? Let's go. Yes, mate. Let's get going. At the pace. We got Malang in the bank. Run for AK versus AK. Now let's run for tuck. Let's go. Let's get going. Come on. Let's get going.
Actor Anil Kapoor, or as we like to call him, the reverse aging miracle of Bollywood, is gearing up to play Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the period drama film Takht. He's also preparing for Abhinav Bindra biopic and is keeping busy researching for future projects. But the talented actor says that in the current situation, staying active is very important and that everyone should get moving for at least 30 minutes. Of course, in their own homes, whether it's exercise, dancing or any form of activity, but you must do it. Anil Kapoor may have spent over 40 years in the industry, but his enthusiasm and energy levels can put a newcomer to shame.
The kind of energy you always exude, the kind of, never say die attitude, the spirit that you have, no matter which role you're playing, no matter which character you're playing, So, for me, when I heard the title with you, I felt it's back Monday Khan of the industry. All the very best.
The eternally young and jhakass Anil Kapoor is a busy actor even after 4 decades in the business, and his ability to adapt to different roles and his powerhouse performances have given him an amazing inning in the business. Just before the lockdown, Anil Kapoor was all set for his role in Takht and was taking classes for voice modulation and body language training. He will be seen as Emperor Shah Jahan, the father of Aurangzeb, and Dara Shikoh, played by Vicky Kaushal and Ranveer Singh respectively. He has also been signed up to play A.S. Bindra, with his son Harshvardhan playing the main character in the Abhinav Bindra biopic. But with the lockdown in place, Anil Kapoor is also staying safe at home, but not surprisingly, he is keeping himself very busy. He shared that he is researching his characters for his upcoming projects and staying in touch with the respective teams, discussing work on the phone and video calls. जब टाइम मिलता है, he spends time with his wife Sunita Kapoor and kids Riya and Harsh. But most importantly, he emphasizes the importance of working out for at least 30 minutes a day to keep your body and mind fit. Well, it's going to be super exciting to see energetic performers like Ranveer, Vicky and Anil in the same frame. And we hope कि after this not so great start, बाकी का साल अनिल कपूर के लिए हो एकदम झकास। Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. Like son, or in this case, even daughter. Parents are the first role models for their kids. And fathers Rakesh Roshan and Rajendra Singh have been role models for actors Hrithik Roshan and Rakul Preet Singh respectively. While Hrithik has been posting clips of his father doing workouts in their home gym, on the other hand, Rakul Preet's father, who's an army veteran, wowed everyone with a headstand. Looks like with the lockdown, it's all about loving your parents in Bollywood. From those who were unable to go back to their hometowns and are now staying alone in Mumbai, like Radhika Madan and Sania Malhotra, others like Hrithik Roshan and Rakul Preet Singh are setting some major fitness goals with their parents. Hrithik may be a self-confessed fitness freak, but it is his father turned filmmaker Rakesh Roshan who is the true inspiration for the Greek god. Rakesh Roshan went through a spell of bad health last year when he was diagnosed with throat cancer. But now, after beating the disease, he is back in the gym working out for 2 hours every day at his 70s. Hrithik shared a clip of his father even earlier and said that this is the kind of resolve that is needed to beat the pandemic. In another post, he shared that his dad works out alone, but he still shows up every day, giving Hrithik a daily dose of inspiration. वहीं रकुल प्रीत सिंह के डैडी और एक्स आर्मी ऑफिसर राजेंद्र सिंह ने लिया टी-शर्ट चैलेंज. वेल, रकुल इज क्लियरली अ डैडीज गर्ल. While there has been some debate going on about celebrities sharing workout videos during this difficult time, for some it is a family bonding time while doing workout. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to put in your views and comments in the comment section below on our digital platforms and social media handles. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off, promising to be back tomorrow. But you know the drill. You've got to promise me to stay home and stay safe.